Ano po ang tugon ninyo kaugnay ng concern natin?
Well, the government should support our maritime industry. Napakalaking industry po ito. And yung training nila na sinasabi ngayon na dahil kaya tayo bumagsak yung standards at kailangan we have to keep ourselves abreast with the international standards para hindi masayang, hindi mapabayaan ito yung industriya natin na ito. Dahil sa ngayon ay pinagmamayabang natin palagi na tayo ang mayroong pinakamaraming seafarers sa buong mundo, tayo pinakamagaling ng mga seafarers, and yet here comes the rating coming from the international body na nag-rate ng ating mga seafarers, yung mga standards ay bagsak tayo. So I think it's not a good development. We have to react on that accordingly para, as I've said, hindi pa pabayaan itong industriya na ito na napakalaking industriya.
May move po ba from your office, for example, to communicate with Marina, Chet, kung sino man po ang in charge dito to improve or step up yung training, quality ng training?
I will inquire kung wala pang mga ganitong resolutions na nakapile. I will file one para hindi mapabayaan.
Ano po ang subject ng resolution na you're eyeing to file?
In aid of inquiry. Investigation in aid of inquiry. Bakit tayo'y bumagsak sa international standards. So that would be in aid of legislation.
Kailan niyo po ito plano i-file?
I-check ko muna kung wala pa nakapile. Kung wala pa, then by Monday I will have to file it.
Okay. Itong Magna Carta for Seafarers, tingin niyo tutugon po ba ito doon sa concerns ng seafarers or this is a different topic?
Yes, basically sa seafarers talaga concern yan, yung kanilang welfare. So I think that's another matter. Kasi kumbaga we are looking into the seafarers welfare. Ito namang standards ay beyond our control. International standards, so we have to cope up with that standard. So yun nga, magpapile ako this Monday.
Sir, yung sa may substitute bill na yun, sa Magna Carta for Seafarers, some say before kasi it's a redundancy. Kasi international already covers yung issue doon with ng seafarers natin, protection of their rights. Pero sir, yung sa substitute bill ba na-consider na lahat yung mga concern ng mga stakeholders din?
I'm not sure if na-hear na ito, no? But as far as I know, mukhang hindi pa na-hear din. Sigurado ako, pag magkakaroon ng hearing, all the concerns of the stakeholders will be considered. So, ito naman ay ating ipinasa dahil ito'y galing sa mga seafarers themselves din na gusto nilang magkakaroon ng Magna Carta. So, ating tinulungan.
One good thing about it is the inclusion of sa women seafarers natin. What can you say about it?
That's very good. It's a good development. As I've said, huwag natin i-limit yung opportunity sa isang gender lang. So, dapat magkaroon tayo ng gender equality.
Lalo na sa international shipping, merchant and cruise, talagang konti pa lang din talaga yung ng women seafarers natin. Para din
Ganda ba yan? Magkaroon ng opportunity natin mga kababaihan.
Sir, in some other topics, are there efforts po from the Senate to protect the former President Duterte from ICC investigation?
Walang effort. Walang namang effort ngayon. Walang effort. So far, walang effort.
Pero do you have plans po, sir, to submit a resolution or to file a resolution for that matter?
I don't need to file a resolution because the government has been very clear on that na ayaw nila maghimasok yung ICC dito. So, what else can we do? The Marcos government has said well enough. Ayaw nila. So, we don't need to file anymore resolutions pertaining to that.
Pero sir, kasi sa Congress, si Congressman Arroyo nga po, sir, is asking the Congress to protect the President from the ICC prosecution.
And that's good. That's good. That's good.
But you
Kasi kung ako, kasi alam mo, kung ako mag-motion, ako mag-gawa, mag-author ng resolution na yan, that will be very self-serving on my part. Dahil kasama ako sa co-accused, di ba? Kasama ako ni President Duterte as a co-accused. So, that would be self-serving. Pangit.
So are you confident, sir, that you will be cleared eventually with this investigation? Confident naman po kayo na mag-clear yung pangalan niyo po, sir?
As I've said, I don't need to be cleared with them. We do not recognize their jurisdiction over us. Kung meron man akong dapat i-clear, I have to clear it before the Filipino people through our Filipino courts. So we have a court, we have our own courts here. So kung may kasalanan, they are free to file a case against me dito sa Filipino courts natin. So super, ngayon wala naman akong kaso.
Sir, the West Philippine Sea issue with the China po, does the Coast Guard maintain this white-to-white ship deployment po, sir? Kasi sinasabi nila ngayon yung China nagde-deploy na sila ng gray ships apparently to intimidate other countries na lumalapit po doon sa areas declared their own or under the jurisdiction po, sir.
As I've said, we don't want to provoke war, diba? Against anybody. That's our, nasa constitution natin yan. Ayaw nating mag-provoke ng war. We abhor war as an instrument, of war. Ayaw natin. Pero, but then again, we have to protect ourselves. We have to defend our territory. So, they know what to do. Our armed forces, our National Defense Department, they know what to do.
Oo, sir, kasi kahit ngayon yung China, mayroon na silang laser pointing doon sa mga Philippine vessels po, sir. Yung recently po, sir.
And then we should arm our Coast Guard also with the laser. Kung gano'n man. Papayagan ba natin na yung mga Coast Guard lang natin na mabubulag? Bulagan na natin mata nila. Diba? Kung bulagan gusto nila, bulagan tayo. Dapat gano'n. We cannot be bullied forever. That's too much of bullying already coming from them. So, kung kinakailangan, we have to arm our Coast Guard with laser pointer also. Para tirahan sila doon kung gusto nila.
How about big guns po, sir? Big guns sa PCG vessels po?
Coast Guard are not designed for national defense. They are there to protect our coast. They are there to save lives. Ganun po ang trabaho ng Coast Guard natin. Hindi po ang gera. So, hindi natin kailangan armasan.
Sir, what is the consensus of the Senate lawmakers with regards to the incident? Ano po ang consensus na reaction?
Everybody is angry. Everybody is disgusted with that incident. That's the general sentiment of my colleagues. Lahat kami galit. Bakit gano'n na lang palagi? Ang ating mga complaint ay hindi pinapakinggan. Nakailang diplomatic protest na tayo. Siguro, ewan ko kung how many na, countless na diplomatic protest, but it seems we are not being heard, we are not being listened to by these people. They keep on bullying us. So, I don't know what will happen next.
Sa comment po kanina na yung laser hindi daw po, it's part of navigational watch daw po yun. Ano po yung comment niyo doon?
I don't know. I am not an
Sabi ng
expert.
mga kapitan kanina.
I'm not an expert on that, but according to some personalities from the maritime industry, ay hindi po daw yan. Iba daw yung ginagamit, yung blink. If you want to communicate with other ships, you have to use the blinking of the lights like that, but not laser pointing to the eyes of this of other the crew of other ships.
Sir, do you think if President Duterte is still the president, ano magiging reaction niya being an ally of the president?
Magagalit talaga. Magagalit siya. Mga presidente, magagalit pag ginaganon yung kanyang tauhan, binubuli ka na nila, magagalit ka talaga. But then again, we cannot go to war just because of that. Diba? It's not enough. It's not enough. It is not considered an armed attack.
So it should not trigger yung pag-send ng military ships in place of the Coast Guard ships.
Well, for me, kailangan lang siguro yung proportional response. Kung ano yung ginawa sa iyo, mag-respond ka rin ng gano'n. Yun lang, hindi. Laser to laser. Gawa naman. Tayo lang mabubulag, tapos sila tatawanan lang tayo. Dapat bulagan na rin kung gusto nila. Kung ginaganon tayo, pero hindi tayo mangunguna. As I've said, hindi tayo mangunguna. Pag tayo ginaganon, dapat may pag-respond tayo. Kasi kawawa naman, bubulag na itong mga tao natin. Dapat meron sa pag-protect sa sarili nila. So, gamit na sila ng powerful laser. Sige, kayo, ano yung dalawang grupo ng Star Wars? Si laser ni
Darth Vader
at saka laser ni Skywalker o sino ba yun? Basta laser lang tayo.
May basis po kaya yung reaction ng China?
I don't know kung may basis sila. As I've said, international standards or international protocols daw niyan that if you are going to communicate with other ships, you use yung blinking of lights, yun ang ginagawa, pero hindi laser.
Sir, aside for the diplomatic protest, ano pa yung pwedeng gawin ng gobyerno? Kasi apparently, hindi nakikinig yung China sa diplomatic protest lang.
Well, yung sinasabi nila na EDCA, dagdagan natin yung EDCA sites, dapat yung additional EDCA sites doon ilagay sa Pag-asa Island, yung ating mga teritoryo doon sa West Philippines. Doon tayo magdagdag ng EDCA sites para matulungan tayong dipinsahan yung ating mga yung ating teritoryo.
Sir, are you saying po, sir, we're going to deploy American soldiers or...
EDCA sites is cooperation yan ng Pilipino at ng Amerika. Diba? So, Pag-asa Island is our territory. It's part of the Philippine territory. So, you can question us if we put the EDCA sites there.
Hindi po ba sir magpo-provoke ng war yan?
Ay, matagal na tayong pinoprovoke ng mga China na yan. Matagal na tayong inuunahan, di ba? Sa atin naman, hindi naman tayo nagharap ng gira doon. Nandun tayo to defend our territory. Di ba?
Sorry, huling comment na lang dun sa charter change. Sinabi ni Pangulo na hindi ito prioridad. Some are viewing na patay na ang moves to amend the charter sa Houses of Congress. Your thoughts on this po?
Kahit na anong gusto natin mangyari, kung talagang hindi susuportahan niya ng Malacanang, in fact, during the last Congress, suportado yan ng Malacanang, but then wala ka rin nangyari, di ba? Wala nangyari, so yun nga,
Good as that.
malabo na yan dahil kulang sa push.
But you would have favored constitutional amendments.
Well, last Congress, I filed the resolution for CHATSA, particularly yung economic provisions. But then again, hindi nga nagkaroon ng steam. Namatay lang siya bigla, walang nangyari. So, ngayon, nadala na ako. Hindi na ako nagpapayag, wala na. So, as is, where is?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.